Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into your Google account and confirming two-step if prompted. This secures access. Once signed in, install Google Drive for Desktop because it provides the only reliable sync path to get Google Photos onto a laptop file system. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and available disk space. This avoids interrupted transfers. Now open Drive for Desktop, sign in again when asked, and choose the folder where photos should be synced. This is the first actionable step toward transferring images. Next, configure Drive for Desktop to include your Google Photos content. You will pick Add Folder and select a local folder for downloads. This tells the app where to place files on your laptop. Then enable the Google Photos option so the service exposes your photo library to the sync tool. Make sure to set original versus storage saver quality based on your disk limits. This affects file sizes and fidelity. Once done, allow the app to index your library and begin syncing in the background. To finish, open the local folder you selected and confirm photos are downloading. Check timestamps and thumbnails to verify full files. If sync seems slow or stuck, pause and resume syncing or quit and relaunch Drive for Desktop to force a refresh. Make sure you use the same Google account as your Photos library. Mismatched accounts are the common cause of missing items. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in. Then reselect the Google Photos option. This usually...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.